I'm really, really very happy, baby. Like, you know, that you're going on this shopping spree with me. Like, it gladdens my heart to be able to, you know, hang out with a beautiful girl like you. You see, most especially for me, it's about your smile. Like, you speak so Polish also. Like, do you even get angry at all?
Get angry? Why should I even do that? I mean, it's stressful. What do you mean? And besides, it's when I got to Nigeria, I realized that a lot of people actually get frustrated and a lot of people are so tensed. Every minute, someone must perform madness. And I can tell you where I came from, everybody is living fine. You have no reason to like get angry with anybody. There is no policeman anywhere disturbing you. I mean, it's just... I just feel blessed, but most importantly, look at you. Out of the millions of men in Nigeria, you are one of the most gentlemen I have ever come across, and I am so happy that I got you to be mine, and I really do hope that will last long.
And of course, baby, like you don't know what you mean to me. Like I'm so happy. Like
I am more happy than you.
So yeah, we're in. Show the entire room. Show singing. Show real up on your man be buying. Say she be all on shy more than pass to rush. No. Leave me alone. Let me deal with it. But man, buy so that she run you more. But I cause she go walk out. Money go walk out for best. Money go push it. I'm not waiting. We don't jail is so that be a jail.
As we were saying, it's really an honor to know you, and I would really love to continue our relationship.
I really think this was a mistake.
Sorry?
Can we just go our separate ways?
You said what? No, I understand that you're tense. It's totally fine. I understand, but trust me, we are very good to go. I would really be honored to spend my forever with you.
Hey, I think there's a misunderstanding here. Like,
It's okay.
I should just be going. Like,
About beard. Yes, a couple of no, cause yes, I call that boy Yahweh. She like mountain bear share. Now they crazy. No, they follow you talk. You don't know me for Kaba. Who you be your papa? And no, dumb you. No make I vex. So I feel knock one or two for your head. As a day like this, that spray where you have shopping spray where you talk to carry me. This.